Happy video day, guys. Christina Brooke here today. I am so excited to be showing you guys a brand new brand to me. I've actually never tried this brand before, so ODENS reached out to me and asked if I would like to try their brand new collection that they were releasing, and I said sure. I've been seeing this brand go around. I've seen a few YouTubers talk about it before, so I didn't know that the brand was an online brand that's based out of Sweden. I was very excited to give it a go because everything looks so like fairy-like, and it looks like all of their products are like fairy tales, and I was like, that is like so me. Honestly, the colorway, like this is like my colorway. Pink and like sage green. I was like, sold. So they went ahead and they sent me over the whole Saga of Freja collection, which is their brand new launch, and we've got a lot of goodies to go over. So I'm going to be trying on the eyeshadow palette for you guys, showing you guys the brushes, testing it out for you guys, and giving you guys my thoughts on the brand. So before we go ahead and jump into all of this brand new makeup, if you haven't done so already, I would love it if you'd want to hit subscribe. I love to talk about makeup and fashion on the channel, and if you guys like those things, you're probably gonna like it around here. So let's go ahead, let's get into all of the products that I was sent from ODENS. Okay, so I did get a cute little makeup bag filled with a bunch of cute little products. I do believe that this makeup bag is actually being sold on the website, part of the Freja collection. So they did send me this cute little card that kind of describes who Freja is, and apparently she's an elegant goddess in the Norse mythology. She's the goddess of love, war, and magic, as well as the goddess of fertility, party, and spring. So she seems like she's a really fun little person. So we're gonna go ahead and look at all the stuff that came in this collection. So first things that they sent over to me were 3 different eyeshadow palettes. So they look like this. They're really, really pretty. The first one is actually called Saga of Freja, and it looks just like this. And if you guys see the interior is actually really pretty too. I like the color combinations. Okay, editing Christina's here to show you guys something I did not notice. So Saga of Freja, which I just showed you guys, is actually a book that has 2 different sides to it. So there's this one. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches of this side. This side is so beautiful. I honestly love the swatches. I can't wait to use it. And then there's also, if you guys open it, oh my goodness, there's another one. This side, there's another area of more colors, and look at these. Oh my goodness, let me go ahead and show you guys the swatches. So yeah, this is really, really cool. I did not notice this when I filmed the video, that there was actually 2 palettes inside of here. That is incredible. There's some really interesting colors in here, and I love the fact that everything kind of looks like a book. It's so interesting to me. The next one is called the Saga of Freja Chapter 1 Tears of Freja, and inside of it also has kind of like a purpley reddish, really pretty metallics in here. And yeah, it's another one that looks really, really pretty. It's the Amber Tears palette. They're all kind of like books. They're like novels. It's so cool. And then the last one is the one that we actually played with today in today's video, and it's the Saga of Freja Chapter 2 Cat with the Golden Carriage palette. So it's the Cat's Breath palette is what it says on the back. What a beautiful palette. Inside it does have more like those greenish tones, which you guys know I really, really like nice green palettes, and it's also a very interesting color story. So inside of the collection, they did send me over their brush set. So we are going to be playing with the brushes in today's video as well. And they sent me over their color switch, which is like their dry brush cleaner, so you can clean your brushes in it. So that is everything we're going to be playing with today. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in, and we're going to start playing with this palette right here. I'm going to put it on my lids for you guys and give you guys some thoughts. So the collection that they sent over to me is the Freja collection. So it's the Saga of Freja. So they sent it to me in this little bag right here. They also sent me over the brush set, and this looks like a little hair thing we'll probably put on, and this, I don't know what it is. Let's first open up the little hair clip. Look how funny this is. Actually, this could be really, really pretty with like a really fancy black dress if I put my hair up like in a high bun. Imagine how cute that would be. So this is a really cute little clip. I like this. This is like an exaggerated bow. I can't really put it on for this video because there would be nowhere to clip my hair back. But let's get into the good stuff. Let's see what's inside of this bag right here. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. This is the makeup bag. I believe that you could buy this makeup bag online as well. This is a big makeup bag. So look, you see inside it has, so you could put your brushes, and then it has this little section right here so you could put little products that you don't want to get all dirty inside the bag. And look, it says the Same thing, really cute. Nice presentation here. Everything kind of looks like a fairy tale. I think that's probably, it's probably like a fairy tale like book. Okay, so that is what the palette looks like. Very pretty colors. Okay, so this one says Chapter 1, Tears of Freya. Very pretty. And then inside it looks exactly the same. And ooh, this is another palette. Nice. So there was 2 palettes in here. That's a really pretty one. Ooh, I don't know which one I want to play with. That's really pretty as well. Okay, so I didn't know that there was more than 1 palette. Oh, this one's called the Cat's Breath palette. So I think this might be another eyeshadow palette. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful. Wow. So yeah, there's 3 different palettes in the Saga of Freja. There's these 3 that they sent over to me. I'll pick one to play with in today's video so we can test out the formula and everything. But yeah, those are super pretty. Keeping the bubble wrap. The bubble wrap has hearts on it. That is so cute. Now this has to be brushes. So it comes in this little case right here. Aha. And it has all of these different brushes in here. So we will be using these brushes today because I wanted to add some more brushes and these look fabulous. Finally, they sent over this, which I don't even know what this is. A color switch. I am so excited. Okay. Color switches are awesome. So when you're doing your eye looks and you want to switch between colors, you kind of like swirl your brush in here and it takes off the color. So color switches, I love color switches. So yes, that is awesome. I probably said it on here and I had no idea. So yeah, so that is what we've got from this collection, and let's go ahead and let's play with an eyeshadow palette. So I don't know which one of these 3 I want to use. Okay, so I ended up going with Chapter 2. We're going to play with the Cat with the Golden Carriage one. It just has the most interesting concept to it. I love the color selection. I think it's so unique. It's not something I've seen very often, so I figure let's go ahead and play with this one. So what I'm going to do is start off with the color White Peach. I'm also going to be using the ODENS. This is their brush set, so I'm going to try out their brushes at the same exact time. So let's go ahead and start off with putting this color close to the brow bone. That's a really pretty like orangey tone. I'm gonna go in with the color Catnip, and let's put that on the inner portion. So I'm gonna kind of like put it here right next to where I put the orange. Wow, look at that pigment. That adhered really good to like my base that I had down. Like it really attaches really well. And this is a very pigmented mint color. Sometimes these colors don't come off very well, and that is super pigmented. So for a little detailing, what we're going to do is jump into this dark brown called Cat Hair. It has little tiny like micro glitters in it. So I'm just going to kind of add that to the outer V just to deepen out. I'm going to grab a little bit more of the minty color, add a little bit more back in. These brushes are actually super soft, so like the brushes for sure. There's a really nice pigment on these shadows as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab into this color that I'm just like so in love with. I don't know, it's just so cool. And I'm just going to pat that. Oh, that's so pretty. That looks like a mermaid. Such a pretty formula right there. Kind of reminds me of like the Huda Beauty metallics. What a cool eye look. Oh my god, I'm really liking this. So shimmery and glittery and pretty amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara and eyeliner. We'll be right back, but wow. All right, and this is the final look. I like it a lot. And yeah, this came out really pretty. What do you guys think? I'm actually really enjoying the final look, and I can't get over those glitters. I feel like they're like making my eyes beam, but yeah, let's get into some final thoughts. All right, so here we go. I went ahead and used the palette, and I have to say I really like it. I feel like the standout in this palette are those metallics. The metallics in here are so beautiful. every brand has their thing, you know, like Natasha Denona, I feel like she's known for her metallics. Pat McGrath is known for her Blitz Astral formula. Everybody has like their own thing. And I feel like Odenseye, where I see the magic in this palette, is those metallics. They're just so beautiful. They have all of these beautiful glitters in them. They remind me a little bit of like the Huda Beauty formula. They're very, very, very pretty. And it's just so many glitters. Like my eyes look so blingy right now, like they're beautiful. The mattes work nice, but I think the star of the show has to be those metallics. They're really, really gorgeous. Another interesting thing about the palettes themselves is the color selection. When you start seeing like more mainstream eyeshadow palettes, sometimes they don't go out of their way to like create interesting color stories because they want to be a little bit more safe. I feel like if you look at these different palettes, they're interesting. Like they're adding in colors in here that are unexpected. They're adding in fun pops here. And I really like this color story. I think it was really fun to work with. I really like the eye look that I came out with. I do like the metallic to matte ratio also in here because since I love this glittery metallic formula the most, I love that they give us a lot of them. And in every single one of these palettes, it does look like there is a lot of metallics to go by. Like they definitely gave us the fun formula a lot of times over. So that is really, really awesome. So definitely, if you guys have tried Odenseye, are you guys kind of obsessed with this metallic formula? Do you guys see what I see? How beautiful this is? How amazingly glittery and insane this formula is. It's just really, really spectacular. Like I said, the mattes are really nice as well and super pigmented. Like I can't get over the pigment on this mint. This mint shade gave me so much pigment like right off the bat. The peach shade, also a lot of pigment for being this color. Very pigmented mattes, really, really nice formula. All-star formula has to be this metallic, but I like the quality of this palette. I think you're getting really nice formulated shadows for sure. Okay, so editing Christina in here one more time to tell you guys that I am going to be doing more looks with these. I am so impressed with the quality. I've been playing with them and I just cannot get over how beautiful these palettes are. And even some of these colors, like they look different in the pan with the metallics, and then when you swatch them, they're just like amazing. They're color shifting, they're beautiful. I need to play with these more. So I'm gonna either be doing one look with each one of these on Instagram at Christina Brooke Beauty, or I'll probably do something on YouTube. You guys vote below. Do you guys want me to do a reels of each one of these, or do you guys want me to do a whole video on them doing different looks? But I really am impressed. Like I really like this collection. So, okay, back to the video. And overall, the design and everything, the thought process, I can say that they probably put a lot of effort into creating these little like novel looking books. It's really, really adorable. So I have to say the eyeshadow palettes, I do really like them, and I love the metallic formula. I think that this makeup bag is really, really beautiful. It's very, very well designed. I think this is for sale as well. And it does come with the interior slip, so you could put your makeup in here and it won't get this whole thing dirty. Or you can just take this with something else in it, like you could put your intimates in here and take it with you on vacation. I think that this is a very, very cute makeup bag, really nice size, perfect for anybody who has a lot of makeup, like most of us probably do. And then the brush set worked really, really nice too. They're very, very, very soft brushes. I didn't find myself having any issue using them. They felt really good on the lid. And one thing that I really, really am picky about is length of brushes. This length is really, really nice. And also if they're scratchy, I hate it because my eyes are so sensitive. So these are not scratchy brushes, which makes them really, really good. The color switch also, it worked really nice. I did switch in between a few colors and kind of like swirl in there, and it worked really, really good. I love a good color switch, and yeah, they're kind of like essential. If you like to do like multiple eye looks or like use a few different colors on the eyes, it's always great to have something for cleaning your brushes. My brush cleaner is always awesome. So I was looking online and they have different price points. I don't know exactly how much these are going to cost at this moment because I didn't get like a price list, but I'm assuming it's going to be around the $30 price point from what I see on their shop online. So yeah, I like it. I think it's really, really cute. So anyways, I want to know from you guys if you guys have tried Odenseye. Let your friends down down below. Know which ones are your favorite products from them, or what is your all-stars, what do you guys love the most. Don't forget to have your conversations down below to help out your fellow makeup lovers in the comments section. So thank you so much to Odenseye for sending over these products. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I will talk with you guys later. Bye.